Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low-heat aluminum welding rods. First, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and gather all necessary safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Thoroughly clean the aluminum surface you intend to weld using a wire brush and a degreaser to remove any contaminants. Finally, securely position the aluminum pieces to be joined, ensuring they are stable and ready for the welding process. Next, you'll need to heat the aluminum base metal evenly. Aim for a temperature of approximately 730 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial not to directly melt the welding rod with your torch flame. Instead, apply the low-heat aluminum welding rod to the heated base metal. The rod will then flow smoothly into the joint as the aluminum itself reaches the correct melting temperature, creating a strong bond. To master the welding technique, maintain consistent heat on the base metal. This ensures the rod flows properly and creates a uniform weld. Use a gentle, back-and-forth motion with your torch to distribute the heat evenly across the joint. Be careful not to overheat the aluminum, as this can lead to warping or weakening of the material. Gradually build up the weld bead for a strong, clean, and durable connection. After welding, allow the joint to cool naturally. This prevents internal stresses and maintains the integrity of your work. Once cooled, remove any excess flux or residue using a wire brush for a clean finish. Carefully inspect the weld to ensure complete penetration and check for any signs of porosity. If a perfectly flush finish is desired, you can then gently grind or file the weld smooth, completing your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.